Hi, today I don't want to share any cooking videos, but a review, unboxing and review. I've been seeing lots of advertising about beeswax or beewax. At first, I just ignored them, but I saw advertising on Facebook, yeah. At first, I just ignored them, but again and again, and I started to think maybe this is a good product. But I won't buy from Facebook because I got scammed one. Let me see the things or stuff. So I bought this product from Amazon. I found the same product on Amazon. I will give the link in the description box below. The price even cheaper. So it came like in a bag like this. There are two, I think $13 something, two with two beewax, yeah. One sponge, but I will use not only sponge because I saw a lot of videos in YouTube about this. You have to buff, so I will use my microfiber, my trusty microfiber. So this is it. This is the product. Let me open one. And this is, I will try on an antique telephone, 150 years old antique telephone. I will apply half so you and I can see the result. I really have a high hope with this product. I hope it works, okay? Let me work. I will open. See, still sealed. From the video I watched in YouTube, they said you have to leave, stay about 30 minutes and then buff. Okay, let me back after 30 minutes, okay?
30 minutes later.